Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub, and today I'll be talking about how to block a person on your email list. So if you're having Gmail and you want to block a particular person from sending you emails, then this video is for you. So first of all, open your Gmail account, tap on the person that you want to block. Tap on the person that you want to block. Yeah, tap on the message. So realizing here, this is the message that I received from the person, and I want to block this particular person. So tap on the three dotted lines. So realize it at the top corner, tap on the menu. That's the three dotted line. Tap on it and select report spam. Report spam. So tap on the report spam. Yeah, and you realize you'll be asked spam reported, also block sender. Message was reported as spam. Do you also want to block then the person email? Then you select the tap on the yes block. Yeah, so with this you successfully blocked the person and you won't be receiving any email from the person any moment from now. So if you love this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, like the video, and also give a comment. See you in the next video.